Hi, I'm Fiona Greig, Head of Strategy and Resources at the University of Surrey in the United Kingdom. And here at Surrey, a university well known for both its teaching and research, and therein lies lots of challenges for library systems and library content, we've been using Alma since August 2015, so coming up for our second birthday. I have to admit, I put Alma in two institutions. I was part of the European early adopters for Alma, and so saw the very first customers getting together, discussing, seeing what Alma was going to do for us, and then going live. And knowing that 1,000 institutions have now made those same decisions, had those same conversations, is a great milestone and a testament to both the Ex Libris staff and all of those people at each and every one of those institutions who've got us to where we are now. So when we look to see what's my three favourite things about Alma, interesting question. I think the first one we've got to say is the challenge that Alma gives. It is a system which was designed from a clean piece of paper. There wasn't a whole idea of, oh, we know what a library is and we just need to put it into the cloud. They sat down and they thought, forget about everything. What does the modern information business look like? And started to write Alma from that base code up. Yes, with conversations with customers, but actually they've challenged us. They've made us stop and think and review and reprocess. And actually, how many Alma libraries are operating now the way they did a year before they implemented? We've all made big changes. We've all decided that actually what we were doing before was fine for before, but wouldn't take us forward. And that for me is the biggest thing. Leads on to the second one, which is actually the way that the library system is now part of an integrated enterprise. Before this, library systems sat alone. They were very happy talking to themselves, but not in a way that linked into any of the other university systems or other library systems around the world. Alma, again, from base code up, knows it is only one part of a major exercise to run a business. So with the integrations, we're able to reposition staff. We're able to not just save staff time in the library, but in our finance system, in our student record system. All of those have made benefits to the business, which are invisible, but which means we can focus on services that really matter to our researchers, to our students, and to our wider communities. And the third one, I think, is the Alma community and the internationalisation of that community. Libraries have always worked really well together. We collaborate. It's in our DNA. But Alma makes that so much easier, and with a focus. The community zones, the network zones, and for me, most importantly, the analytics sharing is fundamental in helping communities understand each other, working together, and offering new ways of supporting users. There's a long way to go. We're still very much a case of institutions helping each other out rather than collaborating and working together. But the foundations are definitely there. And Alma and the Ex Libris customers are putting us into that position. I look forward to seeing the 1,000 customer go live, and the second 1,000, and so on. It's an interesting ride.